Things to know before getting a bird. If you're planning to get a pet bird for the first time, there are some important things you should know to ensure your bird stays healthy and happy. 1. Idiaresis sedilla AF pound. Choosing the right bird. Each bird species has different needs. You need to decide whether a budgie, cockatiel, parrot, or African grey is the best fit for your lifestyle. 2. Idiaresis sedilla AF pound. Time and attention required. Birds are social creatures and require daily interaction and attention. If you have a busy schedule, choose a bird that requires less social engagement. 3. Idiaresis sedilla AF pound. Cage size and setup. Your bird needs a spacious and comfortable cage. The cage should have wooden perches, toys, and food water bowls. Birds should be allowed some free flight time outside the cage daily. 4. Idiaresis sedilla AF pound. Diet and health. Provide a balanced diet including seeds, fruits, vegetables, and calcium. Chocolate, caffeine, avocado, and salty foods are toxic to birds. Monitor your bird's health and consult an avian vet if you notice any illness. 5. Idiaresis sedilla AF pound. Noise and talking habits. Some birds, especially parrots, African greys, and budgies, can learn to talk, but they can also be noisy. If you prefer a quiet environment, choose a bird that is not too loud. 6. Idiaresis sedilla AF pound. Cleaning and maintenance. Clean the cage daily to avoid dirt and bad odor. Provide bathing options for your bird, such as a small water dish or mist spray. Trim nails and wings if necessary to maintain their health. 7. Idiaresis sedilla AF pound. Lifespan and responsibility. Some birds can live 20 to 50 years, so getting a bird is a long-term commitment. Provide proper training, love, and time so your bird bonds with you. Conclusion. Owning a bird is a wonderful experience, but it requires time, patience, and proper care. If you're ready, welcome a healthy and happy bird into your home.